Question 7 says that D and E are points on sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC such that area of DBC is equal to the area of EBC. So here's a figure I've drawn for this problem. ABC is a triangle, D and E are points on AB and AC such that area of DBC, so let's highlight DBC, it's this triangle DBC. The area of this triangle is equal to the area of EBC. So let's highlight EBC, this triangle. So these two triangles have equal areas. We have to show that DE is parallel to BC. So this segment DE is parallel to BC. Now this is actually a really straightforward question. We will make use of the result that two triangles on the same base and with equal areas must lie between the same parallels. So in this case, triangle DBC and triangle EBC, they are on the same base. What is that base? What is the same base of these two triangles? The same base is BC. So they are on the same base, which is BC, and also we are given that area of DBC is equal to the area of EBC. So these two triangles are on the same base, they have the same area, and this means that they must lie between the same parallels. So we can say that DBC and EBC must lie between the same parallels. Okay, so they must lie between the same parallels. Now one of those is BC, this side, because both triangles share this as the base, and the other side, therefore the other parallel must be DE, and this basically means that DE is the other parallel, or DE is parallel to BC. So this is it. This completes the proof of question 7.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.